Hello all, this is Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science at Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the unified process model in software engineering development lifecycle. Let's we discuss. So the unified process is a software development framework and which is used for object-oriented modeling. So the framework is also known as rational unified process or open unified process. That is or UP or open UP. So it has the key features in this process. So it defines the order of phase. So the unified process defines the order of phase. And the second one, it is component based, so which meaning the software system which helps to build as a set of software components. So there must be well defined interface between the components for smooth communication. So and the third feature is the unified process follows an iterative, incremental, architecture-centric and use case driven approach. So the unified process follows these key features. So it has some phases. So we can represent a unified process model has a series of cycles. So each cycle ends with the release of a new system version for the customers. So we have 4 phases in every cycle. So there are inception, collaboration, construction and transition. So these are the 4 phases of the unified process. So let's we discuss one by one. So the first phase is inception. So the main goal of this phase involves delimiting the project scope. So this is where we define why we are making this product in the first place. So it should have the following. So the first one, what are the key features? How does this benefit the customers? And which methodology will we follow? And what are the risks involved in executing the project? And the last one, scheduled and cost estimates. So the inception is following these key features in the product development. And second one is elaboration. So if we build the system means we have to given some requirements, cost and time constraints and all the risk involved. It should include the following: develop with the majority of the functional requirements implemented. So in the elaboration process, develop with the majority of the functional requirements implemented and finalize the methodology to be used. And the third one, it deal with the significant risk involved. So these are the elaboration features. And the next one is construction phase. So this phase is where the development, integration and testing take place. We build the complete architecture in this phase and hand the final documentation to the client. And the last phase is transition. So this phase involves the deployment, multiple iterations, beta release and improvements of the software. So the users will test the software which may raise potential issues. The development team will then fix those errors. So these are the 4 kind of phases of the unified process. So next one is assessment. So there are two assessment. So the first one is explain the concept of unified process, and second one is list out the phases of unified process. So these are the reference. Thank you.